Hello guys, so we're in Blender and we will try to talk to Arduino from Blender in a very short period of time. We're going to set up things. So in Blender you want to open this screen layout tab, because here you're in 3D, you cannot talk to scripting, you want to script. So in the script layout tab you will have all of this. You can have your properties or something open here. The most important part is going to be here, text, and here, the console. Now you also want to go to Arduino to make sure you're setting something here. So in Arduino you can have this basic setup. Serial begin 9600 with a string that you're ready to receive, and when 0 is going to be more than 0, some string you can start to read, and if you match the string to the command from the dialog, you can answer anything. And I just put a delay for Arduino not to be overrunning. Now what do we want to do? We want to import PySerial, because Python here, if I import serial, it's gonna work because I have it. But how do you have it? You take it from PySerial, you download PySerial.gz here, you make sure you plug it into here, which here is your Blender download here. This is the one I'm using. You put in this Blender 3.4, the version of Blender, Python, lib, and here, serial. So once you plugged it here, you have to restart Blender. But I did it already, so it's okay. From here, I have serial imported, so I can start to set a variable to serial. Dot serial. I wanted the class serial instance to work for me. And here you need to check what Arduino port is on. So it's on COM7. The other one is not used. So my Arduino that's working, it's on COM7. I already uploaded this, you can see. I uploaded this code. Arduino is ready to receive something. So I come here, I put plug COM7, and I also give him the rate. And I tried it, and this works. So now I can go straight up and look command here. When it's going to be received, he's going to check for these commands. So if I type some commands that is other than this, it's just going to go into nowhere. But I want to try to print him this command and to see what he's going to give me. So I'm going to say sir.write, and then we're in Python, so we have to buffer our string. We cannot give him a normal string. Hi Nano, and then we're going to give him end line, because it's going to answer instantly here using read string until end line instead of simple read string, because it's going to give us an instant response. Hi Nano, it worked. It gave me some number of bytes. So how do I know the answer of Arduino? Sir.readLine. This is what he's going to give me, and I'm just going to print out this print sir readline. And now he's saying, yes master, what can I do for you? This. So I'm connecting my Blender. I'm from inside Blender. I am already talking to Arduino. I have to be careful not to open this serial monitor, because serial monitor is going to use this serial from here, from inside Arduino, which means Blender will not be able to talk to him anymore. So when Blender is talking to him, this serial monitor is gonna maybe fail or take over, and then at least, I mean, there's only one of the two that can work. So here we are. If we want, we can also write everything here import serial. But first you have to be careful, because when serial is open, it's the same problem. Serial, now we have to close. Is it closed? I think it's closed. And then we can talk it from everywhere again. We have to rewrite this. This is going to reopen the communication. So here I can import serial, do the same thing basically. Ser equals serial com7 9600. Then I'm going to say ser write, and I'm going to ensure that I'm closing at the same time. Every time I run this script, I will close it to be sure that I'm not leaving an open connection for nothing. Right, I'm going to do this. So this buffer string, hi nano, and end line of course, and then print ser read line. And I should have something going on here. If I run this, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to have no errors. Let's run it. I have an error. Module object is not available. Is not callable. For some reason. This is my problem. Serial. This is what I'm missing, of course. And this is access is denied because now it's open somewhere else. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to have to restart Blender. I'm copy pasting this. I will copy paste this. Restart Blender. So this is a good thing to see, that when something is a problem like this, access is denied, permission error, access is denied, is because I'm already using some port. So this connection didn't close well, because I just imported in a variable. I cannot close this variable. Ser is undefined because this failed last time. So ser, I cannot close it even. So I will just have to close Blender. It's going to close the connection for me and restart Blender. Let's say I restart Blender. Wait for him. Go to scripting, paste this here, import serial. This was my mistake. I forgot to call the class. I just called the module. Module cannot be called. And now this should work. No, access is denied. Something is working over there because serial monitor is open. I can start again, and now it works. So you see, it's kind of tricky sometimes, but so it works, but it didn't show me anything because I need to toggle system console here. And now in the system console, it came. So I have a special plugin that toggle the system console out, that writes this console into this console. So I'm gonna re-enable it. It's Python print to Python console. Then I print output to. Now it worked perfectly. Now I can do this and run that, and here I have my command. So this is how we talk to Arduino. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next one.